How to fix cast device not working on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get casting working properly again from your Windows 11 PC. First, make sure both your PC and the cast device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Casting will not work if they are on different networks. From there, press the Windows key and K at the same time to open the cast panel. At this point, check if your cast device appears in the list. If it does, tap on it to connect. After that, if your device is not showing up, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on System and then click on Projecting to this PC. In the next step, make sure the casting options are not set to always off. Change it to Available Everywhere or Available on Secure Networks. From there, go back and try casting again using the Windows key and K shortcut. Once done, if the cast device is still not appearing, click on the Start button and go to Settings. Following this, click on Apps and then click on Optional Features. From there, search for wireless display in the list and make sure it is installed. If it is not, click on Add a feature and install it. At this stage, once installed, restart your PC and try casting again. From here, if casting is still not working, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapter section and right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Click on Update Driver and select Search Automatically for drivers. After this, once the driver is updated, restart your PC and try the cast again. And that's it. If this guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.